Hi, I'm Shahar from the Copilot CX Mavericks team, and I want to show you a little bit of our email editor. The email editor is actually quite strong, so the more you play around, the more you'll be able to create magnificent emails that have all these colors and vibes and images and stuff like that, but that's too much to get into currently. I just want to show you the baseline. When I go to create my email for the first place, you see a button up here at the top that says Upload HTML. So if you have your own designer or your own system that you want to create your HTML there, you can upload it here. Do note that you won't be able to edit it here because you haven't created it in Copilot in the first place. Beneath that, I can see a few templates. First of all, the baseline templates. Of course, you can start from scratch, but the baseline templates give you the template of the structures that we normally see, like a lot of text and images, like a welcome email, or just an image and a button that says, go right now, get some help, that sort of idea. But also some templates that give you a sort of vibe as to what these kind of emails can be built and what they can do. I'll start first from the subject line though, that we can of course A/B test and stuff like that, but I'll start from Shahar, have you tried smart zoning? Maybe something like that. But of course it doesn't need to be hi Shahar, it needs to be adaptable to each person. So I'm going to personalize this with a tag that says first name and add in a placeholder like there. This way it can be either be hi Shahar, hi Erika, hi Gal, or hi there, have you tried smart zoning? That sort of idea. The same goes also for the internal of the email. So I can say also here, I can do the same thing. First name, hi. And this will say, Shahar, we've released a new feature, or hi, we've released a new feature. Other than that, basically the whole idea is this is a WYSIWYG, as in what you see is what you get, which means that I can just drag and drop columns and drag and drop buttons and images and text and everything that you can think of and start playing around with the colors, the text, the fonts, everything that you can see, as well as seeing the magic. So if I have a button that says go right now, for example, I can click see the magic and get suggestions to what this button should say. I also have the same for creating images. You don't even need to get your own images, but you can generate them with AI. And try and play around with the different options that the AI grants you in order to create the email. I'm not going to go a little too much into the design. You can play around with the colors. You can save pieces and use them in other emails and have a totally coherent design for your company. But I do want to touch a little bit about preview. So I can also preview this campaign other than sending myself a test. Of course, you should always do that. But I can preview dark mode, I can preview tablets and mobile and see what it looks like in the various options. Nothing is 100% guaranteed, of course, but you should go back and check these out and then send yourself a test where you just input your email and the email will come out as if it's coming from the system. Other than that, it's a realm of playing around, dragging in things, seeing all the options, saving the different pieces and HTMLs and stuff like that that you'll be adding in and play around from there.